everybody. Nancy here from Fancy Nancy Diamond Painting. I've resorted to bribing the puppies with treats to get them to come be on camera. Charlie he is terrified of the camera for some reason. Let's see if BB will do a trick. Lay down, BB. Lay down. Lay down. Good girl. Good girl. You want another? Speak. Speak. Good girl. Very quiet little wolf. Charlie, you want some? Come on, honey. Come on, Charlie. Oh, BB's helping herself. Come on, Charlie. Come on over here. Come here, Charlie. It's okay. He's a little scared this morning. Come on. Come here, sweetheart. You're such a good boy. Come here. Oh, yes. Lay down. Yes, that's the only one he knows is how to... And my dogs are grammatically incorrect because my husband is so amazing and he taught them both to lay down. They're supposed to know how to lie down. We don't say lay down. But because they know it, good girl. Because they know it, I continue to say it. If I say lie down, they have no idea what I'm talking about. I should turn the TV off. I didn't even notice it was on in the background. One more? One more? I wonder if I can get her on camera a little better. She really is cute. You want to do a trick? You want to flip? Come on. It's hard to do on the couch, I know. Flip, flip, flip. She will spin around in the air, but you can't do it up on the couch, can you? It's all gone, BB. Okay, now I'm going to get back to what I was actually trying to do here. We've got an unboxing. Let me fix the camera for you. Had enough fun puppy time. Time to get to work. BB likes fun puppy time much better. I've been noticing as I put these videos together that most of the time she's kind of cavorting in the background. Sometimes you'll see her doing her zoomy thing where she just runs back and forth, back and forth. Pretty funny. Okay. What is that? Oh, I love it when they bubble wrap the toolkit. Isn't that funny? Oh, wow, they really taped it up good. It's in one of these tubey things. Okay, this is the drills, and I see the tools all bubble wrapped nicely. Let's see if I can't get it open. I've been having a very nice, quiet week this week. And my husband took me out to dinner last night. We don't do anything fancy. We go to this cool place down the road called the Blue Room. And from the outside, it looks like a real scary bar. Building's falling down. Kind of looks like that inside too, but it's a cool place. Good burgers. Okay, this is a pretty standard toolkit. Green boat, pink wax, tweezers, single drill pen. I can tell from the drills, these are the gemstone looking drills. special drills. You can get these kits, and instead of the acrylic drills, plastic looking drills, you get these ones that look like little rhinestones. I don't know if you can see. There's a big one, and they're mirror backed. And they're very pretty. And if you want one of these kits, when you're doing your search for diamond paintings, include the words special drill. And that's how they're always notated. Because a lot of the diamond paintings say rhinestones, but they're not. They're absolutely not. The only ones that are truly rhinestones say special drill. And this is a cool one because I got it for free. If you're on AliExpress, I think everybody should spend some time and really poke around. I'm popping the mailer. There is a special section on the home page called freebie. And the first time I found it, I went in there, and you have to it automatically does it. It makes your, the store that's offering a freebie one of your favorites. So you see other things that they offer on your homepage. Anyway, you just enter the little contest. You get to pick 2 a day that you can enter. And I think everyone is up there for like 4 days or something. And then they pick winners. And there are 5 winners. And I was a winner. Winner, chicken dinner. Very exciting. So I need to review this one. They picked the right person for that. And it's like a Native American looking fox. And I thought it was funny that the name on the listing said that it was a lion. Well, it's 11 colors. It's mostly printed. It's a partial, but it's got the cool special drills. So I'm looking at it, and I'm sorry, it really wants to curl up. It's a 40 by 50. I'm just going to hold it there so you can take a look. And I will put the image up. And I don't know if you can see this, but the drill area it's just like to embellish the picture that's printed on the canvas. There's like these lines where the drills go. And I think I may do this. It's probably going to take me 1 day. It's not a lot of diamonds. Here, let me see. Can you see those lines on there? Each one of those is going to be like a line of rhinestones. It's gonna look neat. I'm gonna have fun doing it, and I got it for free. Let's take a look at the rhinestones. This is pretty cool. It's not, 60 by 80 full drill square that's going to take you months. It's going to take you 1 day. It's going to look good. It's different with the rind. I just want to show you the rhinestones up close. Oh, it's the saran wrap issue all over again. Oh, there it is. I found it. I found the end. I found the end. Here we go. And I like that there's some different size rhinestones. There's one big red jewel. There are these little pearlescent little round doohickeys. I have a lot of doohickeys and thingamabobs. And then there are the rhinestones, and there's all different colors. I see blue and purple, and ones that look like rubies and lilac and gold and kind of a lighter red. These look like clear crystals. I'm excited. This is going to be a fun one. And I will put the link in the description. See, this is why I don't like to tell people how much I paid. Because, hey, this was free. You know, and you're going to say, oh, I followed the link and it wasn't free. No. But go to AliExpress homepage, scroll down till you see freebies, and then you can scroll through all the different things and pick 2 every day. I haven't won anything else, but as of last night, there were 4 different diamond paintings that were available. Yeah, go try and win something. So I'll have to do my review on AliExpress. I would suggest this one. It's fun. It's something different. You know, I don't know about you, but I like to mix it up and do things. You know, I like to do a partial. I'll do a full. I'll do a square. Then I'm working on a round. I just kind of jump around and keep it fresh and exciting. Thanks so much for joining me. If you are enjoying my videos, please hit like. Please subscribe. And if you hit the little bell, you'll get notified when I put out another video. And that's it. You have a great day. Thank you for joining me. And I'll catch you on the next video. Bye-bye. Baby's decided to use the blankets. Hi, darling. Everybody drying off?